Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best in beauty and personal care. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most popular and highly rated products in the acrylic nail world, the Mia Secret Cover Rose Acrylic Powder. If you're looking to elevate your nail game, this product might just be the secret ingredient you've been searching for. Mia Secret's Cover Rose Acrylic Powder is a must-have for anyone who loves a flawless, natural-looking set of acrylic nails. With its beautifully soft, pinkish rose color, it creates a gorgeous, realistic nail extension that is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're a professional nail artist or a DIY enthusiast, this acrylic powder is designed to help you achieve salon-quality nails right at home. The first thing that stands out about this acrylic powder is its high-quality formula. Mia Secret has a reputation for producing reliable, durable products, and this one is no exception. The powder blends smoothly and easily with the liquid, giving you the ideal consistency for perfect application. The coverage is exceptional, offering a strong, long-lasting finish that resists chipping, so you can enjoy your beautiful nails for weeks without worrying about wear and tear. Another reason this product is so loved is its versatility. The Cover Rose Acrylic Powder can be used to extend the nail bed and cover the natural nail, making it an excellent choice for creating a clean, professional-looking look. It's also fantastic for creating ombre effects, encapsulating designs, or even doing simple full-cover manicures. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color or need a more subtle base, this powder's soft, neutral tone is flattering on a wide range of skin tones and is perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. The Mia Secret Cover Rose Acrylic Powder is available in a 4-ounce size, offering plenty of product to work with. Whether you're creating a few sets for yourself or working on multiple clients, this generous quantity ensures you won't run out anytime soon. Plus, it comes at a reasonable price of $22.32, which makes it a great value for high-quality acrylic powder. One of the key benefits of this powder is its easy application. The smooth texture allows for a hassle-free experience. It doesn't clump or create uneven surfaces, and it's ideal for those who want to create precise, polished nails with minimal effort. You'll be able to mold and shape the acrylic with ease, and once it sets, you'll be left with a smooth, hard surface that's both durable and stunning. For those new to acrylic nails, don't worry, using this powder is straightforward. Just make sure you have the correct liquid monomer and follow the basic acrylic application steps, and you'll have beautiful nails in no time. Mia Secret has formulated this powder to be forgiving and easy to work with, so even if you're not an expert, you can still achieve amazing results. Whether you're extending your nails, sculpting new designs, or just need a reliable base for your acrylics, the Mia Secret Cover Rose Acrylic Powder is an excellent choice. Its quality, versatility, and natural color make it a standout in the world of acrylic nails. It's no surprise that it's one of the best Mia Secret products out there and why so many users love it. That's it for today's review of the Mia Secret Cover Rose Acrylic Powder. If you've tried it or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. And, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.